Hello everybody, my name is Davis and welcome back to another video, and today we are breaking down the threats that Hurricane Idalia is going to bring to Florida. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So if you are in a pink box here, then you are under a hurricane watch. These pink boxes here, you are also most likely under a storm surge watch if you're in the pink boxes. You just can't see it because of the hurricane watch. If you're in the red, you're under a tropical storm watch, which is a lower threat than a hurricane, but could still be very dangerous. So let's go ahead and see what the hurricane watch reads over here in west central Florida, which, by the way, is the most likely area to get hit. So, hurricane watch. A hurricane watch means hurricane force winds are possible somewhere within this area in the next 48 hours. So the wind forecast. Potential for winds of 74 to 110 miles per hour. If you are outside in that, you will literally get blown away. This is equivalent of Category 1 or Category 2 hurricane force. This will heavily damage homes, possibly destroy your home if it's a mobile home. And then also, obviously, like I said, you don't want to be outside in that. That will be heavily dangerous to you because there will be debris flying around everywhere. It'll be like being inside of a tornado no matter where you're at if you are in 74 to 110 mile per hour winds. So, prepare. Efforts to protect life and property should now be rigorously underway. Prepare for considerable wind damage. Act now to complete preparations before the wind becomes hazardous, which, by the way, is most likely going to happen sometime around August 29th or August 30th. So get ready for that. The storm surge forecast. Life-threatening storm surge is possible. The potential for 7 to 11 feet above ground somewhere within surge-prone areas. So if you are over here in west central Florida, you need to evacuate before this thing gets to you because this could be very life-threatening. So that would be my advice, at least. That's definitely what I would do if I was in that. So yeah. Anyway, the potential impacts with this are going to be devastating to catastrophic. Those are the National Weather Service's words, not mine. Widespread damage everywhere because of storm surge. Structural damage to buildings, with many washing away completely, so your home could literally get washed away because of the storm surge. Like, you need to be taking this seriously. The flooding rain, additional 3 to 6 inches, with locally higher amounts possible. In some areas, probably 7 or 8 inches of rain, but the storm surge is much more threatening and basically the same thing, but that's still going to be a threat. So that's just another reason why, if you are in this hurricane watch, you should get out of there now. Go somewhere else. Just don't risk it. Okay, this is not an overreaction to say that this could be the Hurricane Ian of this year. I'm sure if you're in Florida, you remember Hurricane Ian, but if you don't, and you don't live in Florida, Hurricane Ian destroyed, like, everything, man. It was devastating. Tornado. This situation is somewhat favorable for tornadoes. We could see a few tornado warnings and even a couple actual tornadoes. So prepare. If your shelter is particularly vulnerable to tornadoes, prepare to relocate to safe shelter before hazardous weather arrives. Sorry, I got a low battery warning there. But yeah, this is going to be very damaging. We're going to see trees knocked down, roads blown away, your house could get swept away, debris everywhere. This is going to be devastating. So if you are in this pink box, the hurricane watch, get out of there now. The red area, the tropical storm watch, you definitely need to watch out, but I wouldn't say evacuation is necessary, not quite. But it's still going to be pretty dangerous. Also, if you're under the storm surge watch down here, even if you're not under a hurricane watch, so in these like odd green color boxes, also get out of there before the weather becomes hazardous. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. Hurricane Idalia is expected to be a Category 2 at landfall, but could get upgraded, so look out for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.